Hey guys, Joe Brammer and Chico Khan with Elite Edge MMA. We're going to show you the proper way how to do your Superman punch today. It's a really cool looking move. A lot of people do it. A lot of people want to learn how to do it, so here's how to do it. First of all, you don't want to just walk up to somebody, jump up in the air and throw a Superman punch, right? Got to use your head a little bit more than that. So all Superman punches, we're setting it up with a kick, and then it's a kick, boom, right over the top. Sound effects optional. But that's all it is. You're faking the kick, coming up top. You don't just sit out here, oh, I'm just gonna throw a Superman punch. No. You have to set it up, you gotta use your head. And here's how the actual body mechanics of it are. So just set back a little, Chico. All I'm doing is we're bringing this out, like we're throwing a kick, I'm coming back. So a little drill to do at home by yourself to get good at it is just bring the foot out as I jump in the air on my right foot in this case. I'm going to pull this foot back and that comes forward. Just like that. So that's a little drill you can do. That's how you do Superman punch. If you want to learn more stuff like this, come check out our 90-day kickboxing fundamentals class starting soon. Click that link below or above, to the side, or give us a call.